is Ravi Kumar Yadaw, VLSI faculty of Livewire, India. Now I am going to tell how we can use our computer as a DSO. So here I am going to generate square wave of different frequencies by using this CPLD. This is CPLD. By using Challenge ISE software, I will generate different type of frequencies, different type of square wave, and will vary frequency and download and see how that frequency will we can able to see in our PC. So there is one software that is called sound card scope. So here put continue and okay, now it's open. Now we see here we will sense the voltage or sense external frequency and all by using this audio jack having left and right. So it will have two channels. So now I am giving that frequency a square wave signal to channel 1 by using this pin. We can see here this is amplitude per division. From here we can adjust amplitude of our signal and we can measure frequency. How much frequency? 366.05 Hz. We can see voltage also. Peak to peak voltage is 1.983. So it is having in channel 1 because it is indicating green color, and at the same time we can stop also. We can stop, and there are having so many options. We can see XY graph, frequency. We can filter also. We can filter low pass, high pass. Suppose we put low pass, means our signal is look like sine wave. You can see here it's look like a sine wave. Then it's having inbuilt signal generator. That means two channel signal generator. We can generate this four different types of signals like triangular wave, square wave, and white noise. So now I will show you that. Once again I am going to change the frequency. I am going to increase frequency by using Jennings, that means by using CPLD. So here I am going to just change the frequency. Now for changing the frequency I am using here VHDL programming. So I will give here just that means frequency will be in kilohertz now. So previously it was 366 Hz. After downloading we can see that frequency will get increased. So now it's synthesized. Okay, completed. Now we can configure target device of our board. Here I'm going to use those programming, that VHDL programming, to this CPLD by using this parallel port to JTAG downloader. So here I'm going to download by using this downloader. So we can see in the, if we initialize chain, then we will find, yeah, this device, this is our CPLD device. Here we'll find that folder destination. So now we'll download. It's executing commands. Now program is successful. So program is that we have changed that frequency changed is downloaded in this CPLD board. Now we can see frequency here. Now our frequency is 1.462642 kilohertz. So here we can use different frequency. We can use different. We can even see sine wave also, triangular wave, what are the signals we can see. So thanks guys, please use these things and use your laptop as like DSO. No need to purchase very high price DSO, and also for temporary purpose and all we can use this. Okay, thanks.